Hey y'all, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is V. I'm the creator and artisan of Chastique Designs. Today I'm just here to talk about my experience. This is my first time doing anything with UV DTF vinyl stickers. I wanted to try this method out. I needed to do some champagne flutes for my friend's birthday. She was turning 35. But I didn't want to go through the process of actually weeding the vinyl myself. I'll start by saying that I absolutely loved everything about this process. It was really simple and easy. I created my design online. I made sure to remove the background. And then I was able to just go onto the website, upload the image that I wanted, tell them the measurements I wanted it in. And the website has all tips and tricks to make sure that your image will still come out. When ordering, it does give you the option of having these pre-cut for you, but I didn't think that cutting them out myself would be an issue because I only ordered 30. I could see how if you had hundreds of the same image, you might want them cut out for you, but this worked out fine. The instructions on the website tell you to clean the surface before adhering the sticker. So here I'm just using 91% alcohol to clean off the champagne flute. The next step in the process is to make sure that your image is fully adhered to the transfer sheet and that it'll easily come off the carrier sheet, which it did. And then I just eyeballed it and put the letters on straight, or as straight as I could, and you rub it on until you feel like everything that needs to be laid down is laid down, and then you peel off your transfer sheet as you would with anything else. So here I'm just rubbing it to make sure everything is on, which I later realized was not necessary as I, moved through the process on the rest of the glasses. The one thing I would change is that I would probably clean all of the glasses in one shot versus cleaning the glasses one by one. I pretty much breezed through this process. I would say it took me maybe 30 minutes to do all 30 glasses. I was jamming to some music and time flew by. So the process is pretty simple, very quick. I definitely recommend this for anyone who needs to do multiple glasses, tumblers, coffee mugs, and need to do them quick, fast. I love how these turned out. They were used for champagne toast during her birthday and then given to everyone as their party favor. And people loved it. But anywho, thank you for watching. See you soon.